Hey, it's Noe with WTI, and get ready to travel in style with this backpack from FADEON. This bag is slender, comfortable, and stylish. I love that this bag doesn't look like your typical laptop bag. It not only functions as a laptop backpack, but also as a purse. I love that I can carry it by the handle, as a backpack, or even on my side. This bag comes in a variety of sizes and colors. I have the brown retro style, and I couldn't be happier. I recently took it on a trip, and I was able to fit so much in here. It has so many different pockets, and I love that it is sturdy and can stand up on its own. A really neat feature is that it has a luggage strap as well, which makes it very convenient that if I don't want to carry my backpack, then I can simply place it on top of my luggage. This bag definitely can act as a weekender bag. So if you're traveling and you need to fit one or two outfits in this bag, you can easily do that. Even when this bag is packed out to its max, it still looks slender. And I love that about it. So if you're ready to travel in style, then check out this laptop backpack from FADEON. And that's my point of view.